Riddle me this, Batman. Why does my neighbor have a floodlight pointing at my house? I mean, it's what, 6:30 in the morning. It's been on all night. My wife and I can't sleep. I mean, look. Look how bright it is. I mean, that's my bedroom window. Okay? My flash isn't on my phone. That's the light from him. Here's the flash if I turn it on my phone. Okay? So my flash isn't on. Well, it was. Now it's off. Look. My bedroom window. Here's my shadow. Me waving. This light coming from my neighbor's house, pointed directly at my house. Why? I mean, why? Why? Is it intentional? I don't think it's intentional. I think he just isn't thinking about it, but my wife thinks it's intentional. So I guess we're gonna go have a talk and see if it's intentional and if he'll stop doing it. And if he won't stop doing it, I guess I'll go buy some lights and return the favor. See you soon, buddy.